Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to treat myself a bit because why not, you know. So as you probably already know because of the title, I bought myself the Gucci Marmont thin belt in the dusty pink color, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you. So it's here inside this bag. Yeah, I bought mine online from Gucci's official website, and it arrived in like 2 business days. They use DHL Express to ship their things, so that was pretty cool. Didn't have to wait for it for too long, and yeah, I'm just so excited about this. I have wanted this for so long. Let's just unbox this now, shall we? So obviously I've had a little peek already. I just couldn't resist. It came in this awesome box. I really love this packaging. I think it's super cute, and I think I have to save this box. I don't know why, I just always do this. I don't have that many luxury pieces, so whenever I do get one, I always basically save the boxes and everything. Comment down below if you do the same. Let's just take this off. And open it. I don't know why I'm so excited, like I have already seen this. Here it is in the dust bag. So yeah, inside this it is. Ta-da! I really like it. Actually, it's not as pink as I thought it would be. Like even on the website it looked quite beige or whatever, but it's like I don't even know how to describe this color. It's not like pink, it's not brown, it's not gray, it's something between those. But I really like it. I think this color will actually go with many different things in my wardrobe. It's like quite a neutral shade, so it will go with many different things. I was actually having a really hard time deciding whether I should get this belt in this color or if I should get the black one with shiny gold hardware. Then I went with this one because I don't know, I thought it might go better with my wardrobe. But we'll see, maybe someday I'll buy the black one too. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's so nice. So it has the brass hardware, which also is really nice, and I decided to go with the thinnest one because I think this is like more classy than the bigger ones. So this is the width of this is 2 centimeters, and there's a these days they do 3 centimeters one and 4 centimeters one, but I just thought those would be too big for me, and I think this is timeless, and maybe those like bigger ones are more like trendy pieces. You know, if I'm paying this much, I want a piece to be like timeless. Some people are saying these are not trendy anymore, but in my opinion this is really timeless, especially like in this size. About the sizing, so mine is the size 70, and how I decided with what size to go with was that I mainly wanted it to fit my waist, as well as, you know, a bit lower, so that I can wear it with many different things on top of blazers, for example, with skirts, with maybe jeans and things like that. I actually sized up a bit so that I can wear it like on its smallest, basically, to fit the smallest part of my waist, and then I can wear it on the last hole so that it's on its biggest, to, you know, wear it with jeans and stuff. So yeah, I actually googled what is the space between these holes to make sure that I can actually do that. So it's about 2.5 centimeters. So yeah, super excited for this. And this is how it looks from here. It also has some text in here. It says Gucci, made in Italy. Then it has like, I think, the serial number or something. And yeah, I don't know, some text in here. And it has the size 70 centimeters less, I think 28 inches. And yeah, I'm so excited for this. Like I will probably wear this with everything from now on till I get tired of it. Not like tired of it, but like, you know, so that I don't need to wear it with absolutely everything. But yeah, I really love this. I think the color is super nice actually. It will go with so many things. And everything, like the stitching and stuff, is so well made. Like you can actually see that this is a luxury piece. Definitely can see the difference. Like I had this 10 euro belt, and the difference is huge. Like absolutely huge. You can seriously see that this is a high-end one. But yeah, let's try this on, shall we? So first we have to take this off to try it on. So you have to like put it through this. I don't know if you can see, but through this part in here. Then you put it how you like. And from here, of course, and that's how it looks like. Goes so well with many different outfits. And yeah, it's not like too much, it's just something that will really elevate my outfits. So if I wanted to, I could also wear it here with some pants and skirts. This would also work, and not obviously with this outfit but with like some nice top and some nice trousers, this would look really cool. So yeah, I'm really happy with the size that I got. I can wear it with so many different ways now. And yeah, really love this. Looks like it's made so well. It obviously should be, because it's not that cheap, you know. Yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!